Hello guys, in this video I will show you, or I will just all talk about how to secure your Wi-Fi without accessibility or visualization that I need to present. All what you need to do, guys, please make sure your password is really strong, contain numbers, letters, alphabetters, special characters, and always you need to change it each month at least. And another thing, you need always check that your router is supporting for the last security technology, like let's say not the WPS, it's like WPA2 or WPA3 security technology. And also another trick which is really good in your Wi-Fi, especially in your home, just block any access or just make only the authorized SIT of your devices. Let's say you have 4 phones and 4 computers connected to the Wi-Fi on your computer, so you collect all the IDs of those devices. You make it as only the allowed one, and let's say there is another stranger or theft one to get your Wi-Fi and have your password. He can't even connect your Wi-Fi because it is not allowed to do that. That's it. The password trick, the authorization trick, the security option thing about your router. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.